Oh shit! What is that? What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
We out here cruising doing 90, trying to get there in a decent time. We're about to pass by the world's biggest Chevron. I think, what is it, like 100 pumps? Like 100 something pumps. I think even more than that. I don't know if I'm gonna get a view of it, but. In traffic 45 minutes into our trip. We're not gonna get there till like 2 in the morning. We're at a dead stop, fam. Alright y'all, so we didn't end up getting to Sacramento till like 2:30 in the morning. We ended up leaving around 5 because we were in traffic for about an hour and a half, so it's a little bit of a bummer, but it's all good. It's the next day. It's the day of the meet. It's about like 10:30 right now, and we're gonna actually go to the Golden Gate Bridge first, since we're about an hour and a half away, and I really want to go. I've never been, and plus we got some time to kill anyway. I low-key filled up like twice, and I barely only have like a quarter tank of gas left, so this isn't the most fuel efficient drive in this car, but we're making it work. I'm getting like 400 miles a tank, which isn't like terrible for this car. Plus I have a fuel economy mode. Bridge, West 8 Bridge. Oh wow, look at that view. I wish we had cruises like this in Vegas. This would be lit. We're about 8 miles away from Golden Gate Bridge, and we're gonna definitely take photos when we get there. And you're definitely gonna see that on the gram, so make sure you follow me on the gram. Alright guys, we're here. We're at Golden Gate Bridge. This is pretty intense in a good way. Wow. Super busy. Stop to go get some food. I don't know what's good here. We're gonna figure that out. But yeah, after that, we're gonna cruise around San Francisco for a bit. We're gonna meet you at BeDistinct's car meet. Dude, it's like a fucking bug funeral up here. All right, so I was sitting in the car eating some Italian food, and all I hear is, and I'm like, bro, what the fuck was that? And I look, this big ass bird just drops a fatty deuce on my car, dude. Holy shit. Look how much that is, dude. How much did you fucking eat? Are you shitting me? Like, what the fuck? Bro. Oh, it's all in the gas cap, dude. We're about to pull out to the spot. It's so surreal meeting people that you see online in real life. It's kind of weird. Because then you actually like see them in person, and you've always seen them through a TV screen. It's like a whole nother dimension of them you get to see. It's weird seeing you in person, always seeing you over video. What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? What up, bro? This your G? Yeah. Nice, man, nice.
Thanks for coming out, brother. Thanks for coming out. Good, bro.
That's good, bro. Oh shit, oh shit. The whole BQ gang here. Dude, it's such a trip seeing this in person. Clean. It's always always the Mustangs, y'all. It's always the Mustangs. You got a couple G's, couple Z's, couple GTs. Straight from Vegas, 8-hour drive. Hell yeah. Look, Nevada plates.
Got a little prize for you. We got a little prize for you for coming from that far, bro. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, man. Oh, this is clean. Let's go, let's go. Did end up washing the car. It's no longer a bug funeral up here. Dude, look at this rear diffuser on this GT. It's insane. Hope y'all can hear me okay with a mask on. I never record a video with a mask on. So we're in California, so it's a little different over here. Got Forever G35 over there. Almost, dude. Oh, you're done. Oh, wow. I really thought it was over. Gonna wait a little bit longer, and then we're gonna actually go to a bigger car meet. It's about like 5 or 6 miles from here. We're gonna all roll out and cruise there. It's gonna be really fun. All right, y'all, we about to head out to this meet. Is he turning left? Oh shit, we going the wrong way. To the meet. We still got hella cars pulling out. Forever G35 right here. Shout out to him. Crazy setup. I love how the front looks. Low-key, nobody wants to hear the Honda, but it's all good. Oh, look at this wide body Corvette. I believe it's a C6. I don't see too many wide body Corvettes, so this is really unique. Whoa, wait, what's going on here? This is like a C7 rear end. Definitely needs some touching up, but it's looking good. got the two R8s over here. Oh, I love this one. Oh, damn. V8. Shawnee Elite, check him out. Oh, this is sick. Got the Q60 with the VR30. I didn't realize, low-key, I was just like following everybody, and then I see him go left, and I'm like, oh shit, and I like couldn't follow for a while. I ended up catching up, but then I didn't even see where you guys parked.
Did you see the guy get pulled over on the freeway?
Was that one of us?
Yeah, I was like, there was like a straight pipe Charger GT, and it was like in front of the purple Z.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
yeah,
dude.
And a cop just like pulled him over off of Longview.
I saw that. I was like, I hope that's not one of us. You got BeDistinct over there. All the other G's. I was trying to keep up with them. I ended up losing them. Oh shit! What is that? What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
Damn, dude.
Get the fuck out of here.
That sounded like a revolver. Oh shit.
What the fuck?
What even is that? So we got police over there. They low-key waiting for backup to kick us out because there's a lot of people. Oh.
I got that
Got a red one, a gray one, and a green one. I really like the gray one. Sacramento be giving no fucks right now. The cops were here, but they left. They said, fuck that shit. They come back with SWAT. Oh, shit. Bro, my ears are done, bro. That was like shooting a revolver next to my fucking ear. Hey, if the Tesla jumps in this circle, I'm dead, bro. Alright guys, I'm actually back in Vegas right now. It really sucks because I actually filmed an outro with BeDistinct himself. But my GoPro froze twice. I recorded it twice with him and it froze. And then I was like, bro, I felt bad asking him to do it a third time and it was not even going to be authentic. So I said, fuck it. I got home safe. Fortunately, it was such a fun trip. I was so glad I went. It was so worth it. Super fun trip. The meet was psycho. I mean, the cops came with the sirens blaring. Like 20 cops came and started pulling people over and kicking people out. And they did a takeover. They were doing donuts for like almost an hour straight, just absolutely shredding tires everywhere. I mean, it was insane. First of all, I want to say huge shout out to Ruben, BeDistinct. Dude, he's so freaking cool, man. And Daniela as well, like they're so supportive, they're so nice. It was so cool getting to see and hang out with them. It's really kind of surreal seeing people when you've seen them on the screen the entire time, and then you meet them in person. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's weird, but it was really cool, man. I'm so glad I did the trip to come out there to help support him, and I got a cool video out of it too, and it was really win-win. It was really awesome, man, and I'd love to go out there again, honestly. Maybe in the future, and maybe I can get him to come out here. I don't know, we'll see. But again, please support him. Follow him on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, of course, all that. He has all that. His content is A1. It's really good quality, and he really deserves more subscribers. Also, shout out to Forever G35. I didn't get to talk to him. I wanted to, but the cops came, and then I had to go home, obviously. I ended up seeing him there. I do like his channel. I like his don't give a fuck about the cops attitude. It's pretty funny. But yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, again, please subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we can do it. I will see you guys next time.